In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Proton mail address. Before we jump in, it's important to understand one key limitation. In Proton Mail, your original sign-up address is tied to your account's encryption system, which means it cannot be renamed, rewritten, or removed unless you delete the entire account. So while you can't truly replace that original login address, you absolutely can change the address people see when you send email. That's what we're doing here. To begin, open a desktop browser and go to the Proton account settings page, then sign in to your account. Once you're in, click the settings option, usually shown as a gear icon. From there, open the section called Identity and Addresses. Scroll until you find the area labeled My Addresses. Then click Add Proton Address. A setup window will appear. In the address field, type the new email name you want to use. Then choose the domain you want from the drop-down menu, such as proton.me or protonmail.com. After that, enter the display name you want recipients to see when you send messages. When everything looks right, click Save Address. If Proton asks you to confirm with your password for security, go ahead and complete that step. One quick note here. Permanent secondary addresses usually require a paid Proton plan. If you're on the free plan, your options are more limited. Once your new address has been created, stay in the Identity and Addresses section. Go back to My Addresses and find the new address in the list. On the right side of that row, open the Actions menu and choose Set as Default. In some layouts, you may also be able to drag that address to the top of the list, which automatically makes it your default sending address. Next, check that the change is reflected in the mobile app. Open the Proton Mail app on your phone and tap the menu icon in the top left corner. Scroll down and open Settings, then tap your account under the Local Settings or Accounts section. Find the option labeled Default Email Address, tap it, and select your new Proton address from the list. This helps ensure your phone uses the same sender address when composing messages. Finally, if you want to reduce the visibility of your old address, return to the Identity and Addresses section on the web. In My Addresses, locate the original address and open its Actions menu. If it's a secondary address or custom domain address, you may be able to disable or delete it. If it's your original sign-in address, you won't be able to disable it, so just leave it at the bottom of the list. It can stay there quietly while your new address becomes the one you use every day.